In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. Whether you're switching devices, setting up a new Chrome profile, or just looking to have a backup of all your favorite websites, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about exporting your bookmarks. To do this, you'll need to open Google Chrome and look towards the top right corner where you see the three vertical dots. Click on these dots to open up a menu, then hover over Bookmarks until a submenu appears and select Bookmark Manager. This is your go-to place for all things related to bookmarks in Chrome. Next, you'll see another three-dot menu, but this time in the blue bar adjacent to the search field within the Bookmark Manager. Click on this, and you'll find the option labeled Export Bookmarks. Selecting this will prompt Google Chrome to start the export process. You'll then be asked to choose a location on your computer where you want to save your bookmarks. This export process will save all your bookmarks as an HTML file. Choose a location that you can easily remember, preferably your desktop or a dedicated folder for backups, then click Save. With that, your bookmarked websites are securely saved in this file, ready for import when needed. Now let's move on to the importing process. This is particularly useful if you're setting up Chrome on a new device or looking to switch Chrome accounts. Start by opening Chrome again and accessing the Bookmark Manager through the same process we just discussed. Once there, navigate back to the three-dot menu in the blue bar at the top. Instead of exporting, this time you'll want to select Import Bookmarks. When you click this, Chrome will open a File Explorer window, prompting you to find the HTML file you previously exported. Locate the file wherever you saved it. Oftentimes, it's easiest if you saved it on your desktop or in a directory you frequently use, so it's quickly accessible. Once you've found the file, select it and click Open. As soon as you've opened the file, Chrome will automatically import all the bookmarks from that HTML file into your current Chrome setup. You'll notice that all your favorite websites appear alongside any current bookmarks, seamlessly integrating with your existing browsing environment. And that's it. You've now successfully exported and imported your bookmarks in Google Chrome. This simple process ensures that your valuable web shortcuts are safe and ready to be transferred whenever and wherever you need them. Thanks for joining me today, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or for further assistance. Happy browsing!